Hello everyone, this is Nick Dease, Film and Humanities Librarian at the Boatwright Library. Today we're going to be building on our discussion of large language models by talking about how to utilize special features such as deep research in ChatGPT. Unlike a regular chat, deep research will produce full reports that go into depth on the requested topic, provide direct citations to source information, and even include charts and figures where appropriate. According to OpenAI, deep research was trained using end-to-end reinforcement learning on hard browsing and reasoning tasks across a range of domains. Through that training, it learned to plan and execute a multi-step trajectory to find the data it needs, backtracking and reacting to real-time information where necessary. While this may result in better information than your typical ChatGPT interaction, it is still based on the same fundamental technology, which means hallucinations, incorrect statements, and biased information can still show up in results. As with any AI tool, you should always follow up on the claims and trace back the information to original authoritative sources before using them. Additionally, ChatGPT Deep Research currently only has access to information that is publicly available on the open web or in files that you yourself upload. This means that proprietary academic databases, like the ones we provide to you here at the Boatwright Library, will not be included in the report. In this respect, using a feature like Deep Research is most helpful at the beginning stages of your research, when you're just trying to get a sense of what your topic is all about. So, how do we use this feature? Let's try it out. You can see here I'm at chatgpt.com. If I click on Tools, you'll see an option for Deep Research. I'll just select that. Also, you can go here to upload your own files if needed. For this demo, I'll just start with a question. What are the latest studies on microplastics in drinking water? Now, you'll see that ChatGPT has some follow-up questions. This is to help narrow down the scope and make the results more relevant to me. I'll just answer a few of these questions. We want to focus on health impacts, our scale is global, and we're looking for materials from the last 5 years. I'll also emphasize my need for peer-reviewed articles and government reports. Now it will start processing. The Deep Research tool can take anywhere from 5 to 30 minutes to process, so you might want to step away and grab a snack while you wait. And here's our results. You can see now that we have a full report with headings, paragraphs, and links to real web pages. This can definitely be a great way to begin the research process and get some general information from the open web. However, be reminded that this is just the beginning. You'll still need to consult with our library databases to find those exclusive articles, ebooks, and academic journals from our subscriptions. The resources that show up here in ChatGPT are only from the open web. As of the time of this video, the University of Richmond does not have a universal policy on AI use in the classroom. This means that each of your professors may have their own policies about whether or not using tools like ChatGPT is appropriate. Before using AI tools in your coursework, check your syllabus or talk directly with your professor. Clear communication is the best way to make sure you're on the right track. And if you're ever unsure about how to use them ethically or effectively, just reach out. We're here to help. Thanks for watching.